Hello friends, in this short video we are going to show how can you collect aster flower seeds and store them for the next year. We have another video on how to grow aster flowers. Have a look in the description below for the link. Aster is very beautiful and colorful plant that is grown in winter season in India. After 2 months of blooming, the flowers will start to dry. The petals will first drop out. When they are dry enough, harvest the seeds.
The process is very simple. Just give a little pressure and the seeds will easily come out. The seeds of the other plant are not ready for harvesting yet. We will wait for more days, let them dry and take out the seeds. These are the seeds of aster mixed with dry sepals and petals. You must separate them by hand picking. This is a time-consuming task and need patience. After separation is done, dry the seeds in full sunlight for a whole day and seal them in any airtight container in the afternoon of the same day.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the end. See you in the next video.